How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and cheers. I appreciate you all for tuning in as we're slowly wrapping up the year and heading into 2025. So in this video, we're going to break down SoFi, the charts, what I'm looking to do heading into the new year, and I want to break down the numbers, the market cap, kind of where we are with some, different ratios right now, and we'll break down earnings estimates, what the analysts are saying in a couple of minutes here. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. Let me actually clear my voice first. There we go, guys, as I'm still a little sick, mostly getting over it, but you guys know how that goes. So we're going to break down SoFi. Like I said in this video, we're going to start off with the charts, and then we're going to go into the numbers, how we're looking right now under the hood heading into this new year. So on Friday, SoFi didn't have a great day, and the entire stock market sold off as well on Friday, which you guys probably saw. So SoFi went down about 4%. We opened up at about 1640, 1650. Then we got down to 1575 at the low of the day, and that's pretty much where we consolidated. So a lot of the red came in the morning on Friday, guys, in the first 30 minutes of trading, something like that. 30 minutes to an hour. Then we consolidated for the rest of the day, closing at what? Just a hair under $16 per share. And with that down move on Friday, we took out the lows from, it looks like Thursday here, but we're still holding where we held on Tuesday. Christmas Eve, Tuesday morning, we held about 1560, and we held that on Friday as well, which is good overall in the short term. And guys, I mean, does this look bad to you? I mean, it doesn't. On the 5-day, 5-minute, we're still holding an uptrend. We're at a higher low literally right now as I'm making this video. I mean, you guys can clearly see it. We're at a higher low. And as I pull the layers back even more on the 30-minute chart, we have a golden cross. We are above the 180 SMA, and you guys can see the uptrend even better on the 30-minute. On the 1-hour chart, it looks a little bit different. You guys can see we've pretty much, honestly, man, have been consolidating this entire month. Other than that one-off run to over $17, we've been holding steady at about $16 all month. I mean, there was 2 events where, again, we popped the 17 and we also dumped down to 14, but both of those were short-lived. So really, guys, this entire month heading into the new year has been consolidation, a consolidation month. And you can see that even better on the 4-hour chart. SoFi has been flat, man, ever since the end of November. I mean, we had a monstrous October, November. So does it take a rocket scientist to tell you that it's going to be flat a little bit in December? Looking back on it, is it that out of the ordinary? No, it really isn't. Considering how much we went up to wrap up September, into October, into November. So, yeah, I mean, we're consolidating. We're still above the 180 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. And another thing worth mentioning is we do have a head and shoulders a bit on this 4-hour. I mean, I think I covered this in a recent video, but I'll mention it again right now. We do have a head and shoulders. You guys see that? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and the neckline is at about, where is it, 1650. Excuse me, guys, 1675, and that needs to break ultimately, right? For the breakout to continue, we're going to have to break out of 1650, and we'll see where it goes from that point. But as of now, that's what we're working with. Earnings are coming up. Let me see here. What day is that? On the 27th in the morning. So in less than a month, guys, we are getting earnings out of SoFi. Cheers to that, man. It's going to be big. It's going to be big. And, of course, we're going to cover them on this channel, guys. So make sure to subscribe. Now, let me go over here to Yahoo Finance. And while I do this, guys, make sure to join my free email list. Every Monday, I'm sending out my top 3 stocks for free to now over 2,000 people. So if you guys aren't in there, I don't know what you're waiting for. Use that link down below. Put your first name and your email address, and boom, you're in the free email list. So SoFi right now is at $17 billion. That's the market cap you guys see right here. And their PE ratio is a 133, so that is pretty high, no doubt. But the company just became profitable not too long ago. They're going to get more profitable over time, so that PE should come down. It should normalize over time. But right now, trailing 12 months, it's at 133. And the forward PE, if I pull up the statistics page here, where are we at, guys? Forward PE is an 80. All right, it's at 80, which is still pretty high. But again, over time, they're going to get more profitable, and that will allow their PE to come down. Granted, if their stock keeps going ballistic, we'll see how it goes. The PE might not come down, but I think it'll grow into the valuation. You know, earnings will continue to come up a bit, probably faster than the stock price, at least in the short term. Maybe I'm wrong on that. We'll see. But that's what we're dealing with there. And on the analysis page, let's pull this up. There we go. Beautiful. This will show us what the analysts are thinking and their price targets. And on top of that, the earnings. So for the current quarter, let's go through this right now. EPS is expected at 3 cents on average for SoFi, with them doing 4 cents last year. So they're going to be coming down a bit on average based on what Yahoo Finance has here. And on revenue, $676 million is the average estimate, with them doing $594 a year ago. So they're expected to grow about 14% year over year on revenue. And for the full year here, guys, on average, SoFi is looking to do $2.56 billion versus $2.07 billion from last year. Pretty good growth year over year of over 23% is what's expected. And for analysts here, zooming in a little bit, most analysts as of December have SoFi at a hold, which I agree with. I'm not buying a bunch right now. I'm not selling either. So most of them have it at a hold, which I agree with. And the analysts' price targets, you guys see above my head, currently we're at $16 per share. The high price target on Wall Street's $19. The low is $4. Yeah, we're well above $4. Let's just say that, with the average price target being about $11.30. Not bad. So, yeah, SoFi, guys, let's just say it's going to be an interesting month of January. January is going to be very interesting with the company reporting earnings late in the month, and with the stock not doing much in December. I'm curious to see if we actually get a bounce back in January. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Clear your voice like me, because I've been doing it all freaking video. I hope I'm better by tomorrow, guys. But, yeah, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.